loves, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a collective haul, as you can see on the picture and by the title. So I have been collecting things here and there from things that I bought so far, and yeah, I thought I should share with you guys, because you know we all like to be chismosos and like see what other people buy, but keep in mind that I don't really buy things like at once. Like all of this wasn't from the same purchase, it was like here and there. I just like put it all in like their own category pretty much. So yeah, so if you guys want to be chismosos and see what I bought. Okay, so I'm pretty much going to start off with makeup because it's like the least things I bought. Yeah, I haven't really bought makeup in a long time. Only things that I actually need. Like say I ran out of mascara, I go and buy mascara. But that's about it. So yeah. Sephora. Just Sephora. I haven't bought like makeup from Sephora in a long time, like I said. So it's just, I like it when they put the tissue paper on it. I don't really like it when they don't. I don't know, I just think that it's like cuter, you know what I mean? So yes, I do have some things that aren't from Sephora, but they are makeup related, so I'll do that at the end. But first, the things from Sephora. I had to get my Urban Decay long-lasting makeup setting spray again. This is my favorite one. This is the one I get, and yes, I do buy the sample size. I mean, you gotta be in a budget. Next thing I got was the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush number 12. It's an angled brush. You guys know how I was going to get like the dip brow again, like the Anastasia dip brow. That one I'm in shade dark brown. This is the color. Obviously it looks lighter because I am running low, but they didn't have it. It sucked. They didn't have it. So I seen a lot of people using the Kat Von D one, so I'm gonna give it a try. I got the it's the Kat Von D 24 Super Brow Longwear Pomade. So I got it in walnut. It is like a shade darker than the dark brown because that one looked too, like the dark brown from this one, it looked lighter than the dark brown from the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I went with this one. If you guys want me to do a review, I'll definitely do a review on it because I haven't tried it and I've been interested in trying it. So let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if it is. I mean, you guys have seen it on my previous video, like the blue makeup look. I show it there, but it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight. I've been wanting to buy it since I saw it, well, since it came out. So yeah, just finally got it, thanks to my baby. The last thing I bought from Sephora from here, that's here, it's the Kat Von D Saint perfume, and on the back it says there are 2 sizes in all of us, the Saint and she has the thinner as well, but between both of them I really like the way the Saint smells. So yeah, it's like a travel size container. Look, but I like the packaging too. It's like really nice and sleek, and this is how the bottle looks. It contains, doesn't tell me here how much it contains. Oh, 10 milliliters slash 0.33 fluid ounces, but it smells really good. I'm not gonna smell it right now because I am kind of feeling like nauseous, but I smelled it at the mall, and I had smelled it before, and it smells so good. So if you guys haven't smelled it, at least go to Sephora and smell it. It smells delicious. Last two things from makeup related that is not from Sephora are, these are my favorite lashes from the drugstore. It's actually the ones I'm wearing right now. Here are the ones. It's by Ardell Studio Effect Pro Design Layered Lashes. So it's the Demi Whiskies. And the last things are from, these are also lashes. They're from the Queen V Lash by Flower in the style Michoacan. So this is how it looks. Packaging, you guys could see yourself, and this is how the lash looks like. It's so beautiful. And obviously, salud papas, and obviously they're Michoacan, so you guys know I had to represent because my family's from Michoacan, so your girl needed to represent. So yes, I'll link her website down below, and her Instagram and all of that. And unfortunately, I don't have a discount code, but I will try to get a discount code. So yeah, I do have other discount codes for lash brands down at the description below. So you guys know that mainly in all my collective haul videos, I do have like a pair of like sunglasses. Yeah, I have some sunglasses here. Here you are. And this is how they look. They're pretty like dark. For sure. Good. So yeah, glasses. Those are the only things I bought so far, and they're from, got them at Charlotte Russe, and they were like $9. Okay. So now for the things that I bought at Q. Mainly they're like sweaters and like tops, and yeah. Like I said, I don't really remember when, like which ones I bought when. So yes, this is one of the tops that I bought. I haven't even worn it yet, but it looks like a sweater, and it ties at the bottom. Like it would look nice with like a bodysuit or like something like a spaghetti strap and under. It was only $10.99, so I mean it's not bad. So next thing is I bought this like sweater cardigan slash thing, and it has like a split like right here, and I don't remember how much this one was because like I already worn it like twice or 3 times. So yes, I think if I'm not mistaken, it's probably like $10 or $14 around there. Next thing is I bought this yellow top. Oh my god, it looks hella bright on the video. So this top is yellow, and this one was $10.99. And also I bought the same one but in black, and this is the one I was wearing on my last video with the blue eyeshadow, and as you can tell it's a little bit dirty, but yeah, same price, $10.99. Okay, so now for Route 21. You guys know I love shopping at Route 21 because like I mentioned before, Route 21 is actually one of the places that have cute tops that actually come in extra small, because you know most places don't really have extra small. So yeah, one of the tops is this one. The one I'm wearing right now is a spaghetti strap, and it has the like the crisscross on the front. Really like it, and it's really soft as well. And that's one of the things I like about Route 21 is that the tops are really soft, and also the bottoms. I bought these at Route 21. They're really soft. I forgot like what type of shorts these are, like the style name, but it has like little checker prints and little roses, and they're so soft to the point like you could actually wear them to sleep. My mom says that they look like more like pajamas than going out shorts. I said I could still wear these, like not like to parties or anything, but like a casual day, you know, like a really hot day and it's casual, like go out. These are nice. So Route 21, these are extra small as well. So I also have this top. It's like really cute. It's kind of like the same style as these ones, except this one's a tank top and it has a zipper right here. And no, it's not like just a style, it actually goes like down. Your man will probably like that, because I know my man like that. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's really cute actually. It's really soft as well. Like I mentioned again, like that's why I like Route 21, because like the material is actually pretty soft. Accessory wise, I got another pom-pom. It was in clearance. It was $3. Normally was $9.99. So the pom-pom for my keys, because your girl is going to get her license next week. Wish me luck. And I'll probably vlog that day too, so yes. And also got this yellow sweater. I don't know why I've been into yellow lately. So the yellow is this Hustler. It has like 2 lines in the bottom. I like that it has the pockets. I actually like that. So yes, and I got an extra small, but it looks pretty, like not like really small. So yes, got this one. And I bought my man this sweater. I thought it looked super cute when I saw it, like really I think he's gonna look sexy. So this is how it looks, and it's like actually soft from the inside. So yes, my man is like around 6 feet tall, but he's like skinny as well. So I got him a size medium, only because like how skinny he is, but also like the length is not too short, so I know it's gonna like fit him right. If not, then I'll just take it back and like exchange it for a large, because he also fits on a large. So yeah, size medium. It was $26.99, so it's not bad for like a guy's sweater. Oh, and the yellow sweater was $19.99, so it's not bad. So yeah, you guys, this is my collective haul. Like I said, I don't really buy everything all at once. Like I do little shopping here and there. So yeah, especially if I get out of work early, then I do like a little mini shopping. If I know like I need something, then I'll go buy it. But I'm not really much of a shopper. That's why you guys don't see a lot of like hauls. But I try to bring you guys some mini like collective hauls. If you guys did enjoy this collective haul, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what items you thought they were super cute, because I think they were super cute. So yeah, and yes, those are hot Cheetos right there. And behind those hot Cheetos, I have a soda. So yeah. So yeah, like I said, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video. And if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'm sorry I was late last week. I didn't upload a video last week. But I have this one up. And I do upload every Wednesday and Saturday. Oh, another thing, I finally got my nails done. And it's like a really pretty baby pink, or like a clear pink. So yeah, finally got my nails. Join the family, guys. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys on my next video.